Let's check back step by step meaning of our constitution. Our local community can elect council and mayor in our legislation. Actually, our local community, our citizens, should be citizens of Ukraine, just citizens of Ukraine, should have registration, local registration, and more than 18 years. Local self-government in Ukraine, in the basic level, is villages, settlement, and city. Just 3 types. And that community have possibility to realize local self-government. Actually, all councils on local level creates executive bodies, and mayor head of that executive bodies. As I told, on the basic level of local self-government in Ukraine is village, city, and settlement. City can have districts, and city community. City community can make some self-organization bodies on lower level, like house or street. It's our right, actually. And second level, regional level of local self-government, rayon and oblast. It's our second level of local self-government. And actually, rayon and oblast is just helper, that's all. Because basic level, 3 types of local councils or local territory. Actually, this is oblast, yeah? We have 24 oblasts, Kyiv, Sevastopol. Kyiv and Sevastopol have special status, and Crimea. And this is rayons of some oblast. If we are speaking about local self-government on regional level, local council on that level can have own executive body, because executive body on regional level is state administration, and local council on regional level elects head, but head of the local administration on regional level appointed by our president, Poroshenko.